Deborah, thanks for showing me crafts. I'm a cardiologist in Indiana and know nothing about crafting, but I think Deborah will make this easy to do and she'll teach me what products to use. I'm looking for an EKG because what I do for a living is arrhythmia disorders, and I like the colors of this one. I like the shape of this one, and I think it'll fit pretty nicely on a wallet, maybe something like this going across.
Okay, we found an image that she likes. So we're using a MacBook Pro, so we're going to go into preview the image we put on our desktop, and she's going to go into File, Print. Change your printer to, see the printer at the top? Yep. Change that to Oki Data C, yeah, that one. And then go down to Scale. Because that image is too big for our wallet, we're going to put it at 15%. We'll try that. That looks like that would be a good size. Then go see where it says Preview. Go to Layout. And at the bottom, very bottom, flip horizontally. Okay, go up to Layout again. And do paper feed. Make sure it's on the multi-purpose tray, which it is. Good. Go back up into paper feed and go into feed. That's on labels. The media type is labels, so that's perfect. Scroll down. And we're going to press print, and then we're going to load the paper. Perfect. Your transfer paper.
Okay.
And we're going to load it watermarks down.
So watermark down.
It goes through those feeders, yeah. And you're going to push the blue button so it clamps. And then press the online button to see if that gets it online so it'll print. Okay, perfect. We have our image on the NoWeed Foil transfer paper. Now I want you to cut your foil to size. So you're going to cut it a little bit. You're not going to cut it 8.5 by 11.
Okay.
And you want to decide if you're going to do it vertical or horizontal.
Like this.
So we're going to cut it just slightly larger than that.
Okay.
Okay, the heat press is set to 300, and we're going to hot peel this at 10 to 15 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, swing it away and hot peel that baby. Oh shit. Take it off. Hot peel it.
All right.
Go, 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 go.
There
Good
we
girl.
go. Yes. Ready to apply the foil. So this shiny side, this pattern side needs to stay up.
Yep.
And the silver side will stay down.
Yep.
So we'll put the pattern side up.
And you're going to use a release paper.
Yep.
So you get the colors on there that you want, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's a good point. I think this will be good.
Okay. Then you're going to put a release paper on top, and we're going to press this for 10 seconds. Go ahead and cover the whole wallet with that.
Okay.
Put that release paper in, girl. Just so we don't fry the wallet. 10 seconds.
Pull
And then
this.
start.
Blot it first.
Ooh, that's a good term. Blot. I like that.
And then I will.
You should be a doctor. So you want to press that pretty hard so the image adheres. And usually with bigger images, you can, yeah, see it starting to come through, honey?
Uh-huh.
You can kind of feel and see the image. Is it cool?
Let's take a feel. Feels pretty cool.
Let's see. Yeah, all right.
Now
Pull it
let's
off.
peel away. So peel from one side.
Well, isn't that smashing?
Beautiful.
Okay.
Just so you know, this
So
is
what is
not
that?
a normal EKG. This is a pretty abnormal QRS, and it looks like an arrhythmia disorder that we need to treat. So this is very, I like this picture because this is what I do for a living. But this, again, not a normal EKG, just as a disclaimer.
And not a normal image on a wallet, but a learning experience. Smrithi is resuscitating her wallet. So she's going to the Cricut, and she's adding, what does AED mean, honey?
Automatic external defibrillator.
So that would save someone's life.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna make it 3.5 inches.
Let's make it an inch high.
Well, if you make
Oh,
it an
I
inch
see.
high, see it goes to 5.
Okay, so we'll bring this down.
See the top right-hand corner? It's where it says make it
Mm-hmm.
in green.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and press that. And this is bringing up your mat. Over on the left,
Mm-hmm.
press mirror.
Mirror. Okay.
See that little button? Yep, press that because this goes on backwards.
Okay.
The 1, 2, 3 flex that we have on here, spinal side down, colored side down.
Yep.
Okay,
So here's the shiny side. We just flipped it
Yep.
over like this.
perfect. Okay, now this is going to be weeded, and that's what what weeding mean is to take the
These are like little calipers, EKG calipers.
and pull it off. Go ahead.
We
You
would-
can use your finger.
We would call these pickups in the medical world.
We're going to use a release paper on top of it. Normally you would press 1, 2, 3 vinyl for 3 seconds, but with the release paper we're going to press it for 5. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna move this over.
And then we're going to cold peel it.
Okay. Okay, let's move this over.
You're going to cold peel it with the block. Take the release paper off. Cold peel.
Press a little bit.
Now, why are you doing this? Are you resuscitating?
I'm resuscitating my wallet. And I want to increase defibrillation in the community.
That's cool.
Nita, why don't you talk about your CPR initiative?
Oh, yes. So I live in Indianapolis, and I'd like to decrease AED times in our community. And we just have to figure out ways to do that as a team.
Oh, that's so cool. All right, you can just take off the, plastic, just
Slowly.
pull it right off. Keep going, just go. Go, baby, go. Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
You are so good at this.
That's
You're
awesome.
Just a natural.
This is a great product.
You made lemonade out of our little foil lemon.
This is awesome. AED me. This is such a great product.